Racked is on fire. The Web3 design studio and Nike's youngest brand is going as strong as any other project in the metaverse, partnering with luxury houses and world-famous artists while fleshing out its collectible and universe, all while bringing in big bucks. It's a win-win-win scenario. And now, Racked is harnessing the power of Nike to bring its signature Cryptokicks NFTs to life as part of a new project called Cryptokicks. Nike is realizing Racked digitally designed kicks in the real world, marking the first ever major Web3 sneaker crossover with 3 colorways of one sneaker. Holders of Racked Lace Engine N10 will be given access to purchase pairs of the Cryptokicks sneaker for 0.38 at about $478 at current exchange rates, limited to only 19,000 total pairs from December 12 to 16. From December 7-9, non-antenna holders may register for a draw on Racked Cryptokicks website. They will then be allowed to purchase leftover pairs on December 14 for 0.5 at about $630 at current exchange rates, assuming the entire stock isn't sold out from the initial sale. The GAC Group, a Guangzhou Automobile Group Company Limited, one of China's most renowned car manufacturers, inaugurated GAC RT Center Europe, its first design center in Europe, in Milan. Located in Milan's Via Tortona design district, this creative space will become a global hub, a breeding ground for talent, ideas, and innovative projects. Together with the studios in Los Angeles and Shanghai, GAC RT Center Europe will form an ecosystem of global excellence, designing the car of the future. The Milan Center will host professionals practicing vehicle design, experience design, and visual branding, and the team will be composed of a diverse group of made-in-Europe talents and joined by the members of GAC design studios in China and the United States. Therefore, the city of Milan will play a fundamental role as a facilitator of exchanges and sharing of best practices on a global level. Sealing an ideal bond with the city is the decision to locate its center of excellence in what was the opening ceremony took place in the presence of Liao Mishu, Commercial Counselor, Consulate General of the People's Republic of China in Milano, Jadian, Director of GAC Group Branding, Public Relations Department, Ben Zhang, General Manager of GAC RT Center Europe and Vice President of RT Center, Fontes Fontes, Design Director of GAC Advanced Design Los Angeles, and Stefan Janin, Design Director of GAC Advanced Design Milan. California startup Space Campers is maximizing the performance of Tesla's Cybertruck with a customizable wedge-style camper that's built to last a lifetime. Enable adventure while sacrificing nothing. Space Campers, a robust build, uses aerospace-grade composites and manufacturing processes to put strength, precision, and durability first. Load gear or gravel, Space Campers seamlessly integrates with the Cybertruck for full access to the truck bed, minimal drag, and a sleek appearance. Its electrical outlets, dimmable lights, induction cooktop, portable cooler, and water heater, among other accessories, are all compatible with Tesla's industry-leading battery pack for weeks of auxiliary camping power. Trek off the grid in confidence with a camper you can make your own. Nearly every feature serves more than one purpose for a spacious and versatile build. The Murphy-style bed is big enough for two and tucks out of the way for ample standing room with detachable hinges to become an exterior table. Bed extensions quickly transform into benches or work surfaces, and its built-in awning protects from the elements while putting the beauty of open spaces front and center. A level that is not hindered by other modes of transport, not affected by traffic on the ground, as the cabins simply glide above the city and the streets below. Aero ropeways offer a whole series of benefits and applications that harmonize perfectly with other means of transport and can be readily integrated into their surroundings. Continuous operation means that passengers save time and can rely on a safe, comfortable journey. Safe, fast, and simple transfers with ropeways. Seamless connections save time, energy, and costs. The journey continues from the bus or train with a pleasant trip with fantastic views into the bargain. Ropeways offer high availability, they are barrier-free and incorporate cutting-edge technologies that makes them the perfect sustainable mobility solution for public transit. Can be used for working, surfing the net, or simply relaxing. The future of mobility begins.
To me, now worth the wait. Hey.
The wave function plays a fundamental role in quantum theory, yet a direct observation of it remains elusive. Observable properties, such as the position of an atom or the momentum of an electron, arise from projecting the wave function onto an eigenstate. However, each projection only reveals a portion of the underlying wave function and often destroys uniquely quantum features like superposition and entanglement. The full quantum state is only realized by statistically averaging over many measurements, a tool that directly magnifies the microscopic state of a quantum particle onto the laboratory scale could, writing in Physical Review Letters, Annette Stodolen of the FAM Institute for Atomic and Molecular Physics NAMFA in the Netherlands, and her colleagues demonstrate how photoinitiation microscopy directly maps the nodal structure of an electronic orbital of a hydrogen atom placed in a DC electric field 1. This experimental initially proposed more than 30 years ago provides a unique look at one of the few atomic systems that has an analytical solution to the Schrödinger equation. To visualize the orbital structure directly, the researchers utilized an electrostatic lens that magnifies the outgoing electron wave without disrupting its quantum coherence. The authors show that the measured interference pattern matches the nodal features of the hydrogen wave function.